Alright guys, so took off the manifold, put new coil, new spark plugs, both sides, put everything back, new intake manifold gaskets. So far so good, we're running pretty good. No misfires. Bleeding the coolant, we lost a little bit of coolant. But so far we are good, guys. Gonna go give it a good test drive, and we'll see how it does. It might need some AC work. Might be low on Freon, but the customer wanted it to, running good, so he could smog it, I guess.